Hello my little super readers. So today we are going to learn about a new sound that is double O. O when put together can be sound in two ways. That is, it has a long sound and a short sound. So first, let's look at the long sound of double O. Long sound of double O is oo, as in spoon. Boot, hoop, moon. Broom. Roof, roof. Let's read some more oo sound words. Boom, moon, zoom, spoon, toot, boo, drool, soon, boots, baboon. Now you can say the long sound of double O is oo. Way to go! Let's talk about the short sound of OO. Double O. The short sound of double O is O. As in book. Now you will read with me some words with short sound of double O. Cook, wood, look, good, foot. Let's read some more words. Stood, cook, wool, shook, took, hook, nook, foot, look, good, wood. Way to go, super readers. So now let's see how far have you understood about the long sound and the short sound of double O. Here we have some cards. You have to sort out which word has the long sound and which word has the short sound of double O. So we have two bowls here. One is yellow and the other one is blue, right? So we will put the long sound in yellow and the short sound in the blue bowl. So I will read the word and try to figure it out, try to sort out which flashcard will go where. Okay, so our first word is food. Food. So what do you think? Is it a long sound or is it a short sound? Yes, it's a long sound, so it will go in the yellow. Okay, another one is, what is it? Root. Root. Yes, the long sound. Okay, the next word is book. Book. Yes, it's a short sound, so it will go here. Now we have roof. Roof. Yes, it's a long sound, so it will go there. Cook. The word is cook with the short sound of double O. And the next card we have here is boot. Boot. Yes, it's a long sound. Wow, it's such a pretty moon. It's a long sound. Moon. Okay, what do we have here? A piece of wood. A piece of wood. It's a short sound, so it will go there. The next card we have foot. Yes, it's a short sound. Foot. Okay, so next we have colorful balloons. It has long sound of double O. Balloons. Now we have the last card, and what it is? Let's try to read the word hook. Hook. It's a short sound of double O. Great job. Very good. Great job, you all. So you have sorted out all the flashcards pretty well. One with the long sound of the double O and the other with the short sound of double O. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep practicing. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.